నేడు విశాఖలో సీఎం జగన్ పర్యటిస్తున్నారు. పలు అభివృద్ధి కార్యక్రమాలను ప్రారంభించనున్నారు. మధురవాడలోని ఐటీ హిల్స్ లో ఇన్ఫోసిస్ కార్యాలయాన్ని సీఎం జగన్ ప్రారంభించారు. ఇన్ఫోసిస్ తో పాటు వివిధ ఐటీ కంపెనీల ప్రతినిధులతో ఉద్యోగులతో జగన్ కాసేపు సంభాషించారు.
The state government and all other esteemed guests as well. It's a great pleasure to be a part of this inauguration. The reason why I say this is because Vizag has always had that potential. It's one particular city wherein this has the potential to become something like Hyderabad, Bangalore or Chennai. Given that kind of support to this city. This is one city, unfortunately after Hyderabad was broken away from our state, post-bifurcation, we do not have a tier 1 city as such. You know, when all this IT and all this related IT services and these kind of industries which are related to tier 1 cities obviously could not be housed in Vizag because of the fact that Hyderabad was our capital, even though Vizag had that potential. Unfortunately, we were left with this. But nevertheless, Vizag is the biggest city in Andhra Pradesh, and this has the capacity and the potential to catapult into tier 1 city. The fact being that we have almost very prestigious institutes as well here in Vizag. We have educational hub housing 8 universities, 4 medical colleges, 14 engineering colleges, 12 degree colleges, and almost generating 12,000 to 15,000 engineers every year. We have very prestigious institute, IIM here. We have National Law University also here, along with the 8 universities and 4 medical colleges, and the 12 degree colleges that I've just spoken about. So this has the capacity, this has the potential. We have a very quite a few public sector. We have IOC, we have Eastern Naval Command, which houses almost 20,000 naval officers and families. We have quite a lot of public sector undertakings here. We have a strong port-based infrastructure already in existence. 2 strong ports right away here, the Visakhapatnam port and the Gangavaram port, not very far from here. We also have the 3rd port coming up, which is in Srikakulam, also not very far from here. We have this beautiful international airport also, just taking off. I mean, maybe we would have the exclusive civilian international airport also in Vizag. And most importantly, you know, I've asked my officers to look for a good premises for myself also to shift out. And probably, you know, little bit of they have scouted for premises, and once it is CM, it comes with a huge setup of security and the CMO and officers and their living places and things like that. So just looking at few of the premises, and maybe I was hoping for October, maybe it will be December. That's what I was told. But nevertheless, December would probably be the outer line, where I myself would actually be staying in Vizag. So this kind of push, which is required for the city to actually become the tier 1 city. And I'm very confident that Infosys, with the kind of background that it holds, with 328,000 employees and 18.5 billion in revenues, probably TCS and Infosys and Wipro, probably these are the kind of names that actually would change the landscape of IT for any city. And now that Infosys here, we are hopeful that in the days to come we would also have the others also join the bandwagon. So very soon we would have all these companies also come in. We have Adani data center also coming up, wherein the submarine cable is coming all the way from Singapore, exclusive submarine cable. And with that data center actually coming into reality in the course of next 2 years, that would once again house a lot of activity, especially in the clouding part of the IT space. So all this coming into reality, and I'm sure that with, most importantly with Infosys coming here, and what the warmth that I have received interacting with Nilanjan and Neeladri Prasad and Suresh and Raghu and the top brass of IT here, I was very confident that these people would do wonders here for Vizag. That with Infosys coming down here to stay, with this development center actually housing 1,000 people to begin with, would be the starting point wherein we would see Infosys taking a much bigger lead in the days to come. And I'm pretty sure that Vizag would be the destination where dreams would come true. And I'm confident that in the days to come, with Infosys and with the support of the state government, Vizag would see an altogether a different growth strategy, different growth trajectory. All my best wishes to the Infosys top management, and I'm once again assuring the Infosys top management that anything you require, we're just a phone call away. Please be mindful of that. And we are here to support you. Any which way, in whatever way you deem fit, you please take us into confidence, and we would stand by you in every which way. These are the words from my side, and I wish everybody here, from the top management to every employee who's here, all the very best wishes from my side.
Thank you so much, sir. We value and echo your vision. I would request our CFO Nilanjan Roy to felicitate with the momentum to our Honorable Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. Sir, this is a kind request from all of us. We would like to take a group picture with all our employees. It will be a great honor and pleasure to have you with us, sir.